Guys, we're back at Levenworth Landing Park to see a train, and we got some train action over here. The signal's green, a train's coming, so see it when it comes. Yep, guys, it's coming. The train's coming. Yep, we got some train action over here. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Yep, there's the guys, the train light. It's over there. Guys, you can see the train light. It's coming. It's coming.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, yeah. No worries. Yep, it's coming, guys. Oh, yeah. It's coming. Why does it sound like an sd70ace? sd70ace Union Pacific. It's coming, guys. Oh boy. We got some train action over here. Well, I know I say that always, but doesn't matter. It's coming, guys. Oh boy. This is super exciting. Another train coming in Levenworth Landing Park. We're on a signal streak. Just wait. Just wait, guys. I hear the engine.
Coming.
There's the train light. Get ready. Three, 2, 1, go. There we go.